are the ideas that will bring new dimension to the society. Will he be remembered for bringing energy independence for the nation? Energy independence, solar power, wind power, nuclear power and biofuel. Will he be remembered for the action-oriented clean home, clean environment, clean state, clean nation? Will he be remembered for developing 1 million enlightened youth in your region who will participate in the accelerated societal transformation of the nation? My best wishes to all the members of Arctic College of Engineering Technology in igniting the energy and ability of youth to achieve transformational changes that will benefit the nation. May God bless you all, friends. Now, friends, only I am talking, you are all sitting, and now I am going to give you some work, okay, for all of you. Ready? Or you are hungry? You are hungry? No. Okay, you have to vote for engineering students. Vote for engineering students. Okay, you are ready? Ready? Okay. Engineering. Repeat, I say. Engineering and technology is the lifetime mission. I will work and succeed. Wherever I am, a thought will always come to my mind, that is, what process or product I can innovate, invent or discover. I will always remember that let not my winged days be spent in vain. I realize I have to set a great technological goal that will lead me to think high, work hard and persevere to realize the goal. My greatest friends will be great scientific, technological mind, great teachers and great books. I firmly believe no problem can defeat me. I will become captain of the problem, defeat the problem and succeed. I will work removing the problems of the planet Earth, in the areas of water, energy, habitat, waste management and environment through the application of science and technology. My national flag flies in my heart and I'll bring glory to my nation. Thank you, friends. Great. Okay. Now, you guys want to ask questions? No. Or you are hungry? Then 5 fellows can come. Boys and girls, 5. Whoever want to come, immediately you have to come here. Very close to me. 5 people. Whoever fast comes, you can ask questions. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Now other last row 1 or 2. Last row. Acha, you can't. A big barrier is there for you. Okay, big barrier. Okay. You stand there anyway. You don't break the barrier. You start. 2 more. 3 have come already. 2 more can come. 2 more. 4. 4th guy. 5th guy. 4th guy. 4th guy. 5th guy. That's all. You are a bit late. Okay. But whoever not asked a question, you send a mail to me, apj@abdulkalam.com. 24 hours you get the reply. apj@abdulkalam, and you send a mail, okay? And definitely you'll get a reply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How suddenly 5 became 6? Okay, doesn't matter. Mic, you got a mic, yes, speak.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Myself, Sridhavya Naidu. I am studying in third year civil engineering.
Sure.
And my question to you is,
What is your dream?
sir,
Thousands are becoming civil engineer, but
Yes,
I'm
sir.
asking what's your dream?
sir, I want to give civil service examinations and become one of the IAS or IPS officers.
Oh, you want to use engineering as a platform. Okay. So what's the question?
Okay. Sir, the current generation of the nation is facing brain drain. So what measures would you suggest to stop brain drain?
Well, brain drain, many people talk about it, but I don't talk about it. Reason is, we are 25 million Indians are outside.
Yes, sir.
And one of our philosophy, Indian philosophy is, cross the ocean to acquire the knowledge. Written 5,000 years back, you cross for Indian philosophy and books say, cross the ocean to acquire the knowledge and wealth. So nothing wrong in it, okay? There's nothing wrong in it. But what is important is, just like we are going to acquire the knowledge and wealth generation, others also to come to us. That means our country should have a big research and science and technology laboratory, attracting people. It is just start as good laboratory organizations come, number of foreign people also started coming. One day they also will start coming, will benefit, okay?
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. You can go. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Rucha Sriram. I'm studying in the third year of Electronics and Telecommunication Department. Sir, what kind of zeal did you experience when the missile that you created was successfully launched?
Successfully launched.
Yes.
What seal? When I launched it, a success.
Yes.
Well, it gives a happiness, no doubt about it, because a missile reaches the target 2,000 kilometers means in those days. It's a big mission. And not I am working alone. Thousands of scientists, technologists, hundreds of industries, tens of laboratories, they're all working together. When we see the successful event, it gives a lot of happiness. And what next? Immediately we think of that success, one part of a life. But what next? What next we should go? We immediately dream to the next step. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, myself Nikita Uttade I'm studying in Diploma third year Information and Technology.
Diploma?
Information and Technology.
Information technology. What's your dream?
So my dream is to become a software engineer. So look, my dream is to become a software engineer since I see many softwares. The aim of
Everybody is software engineer in India, okay? Whoever enters into information tech, that's anybody can do. But you become a system software engineer.
Okay, sir.
System software engineer. That means you integrate hardware and software, and you are doing the value addition. You should be a unique person, okay? What's the question?
So my question to you is that in our age we have certain personalities like ideals, like you and Kiran Bedi, there are many. But during your growth age, who was your ideal person?
Well, my ideal person was when I was a 10-year fellow.
Yeah.
Law.
During growth, your growth till you become an engineer or a...
No, 10-year fellow, I had a teacher.
Yeah.
5th class teacher. He was teaching one day science, Siva Subramania Iyer. When he was teaching, went to the blackboard and drew a shape of a bird and put a wings, tails, nose, started explaining how a birds fly. Many of us did not understand. But he took us to the seashore, showed us how seabirds fly, why they flap the wing, why flapping what happens, how change the direction. And within 1 hour we knew how a birds fly. But any teacher can teach you, good teacher, can teach you how a birds fly. But the teacher, my teacher, 10-year age, he was teaching me what should be my way of life. That is what I should dream. He gave a dream. That dream was something with the flight, I didn't know flight science in those days. Something with the flight. Then I took physics. Then I took aeronautical engineering. I became a rocket engineer. I became a space technologist. I started flying. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Arun Panigri, and I am from final year mechanical engineering. Sir, my question is, sir, you have taught in many engineering colleges and technology colleges and continue to teach students from premier institutions across the world. Sir, in what way can we raise ourselves up to international standards?
Well, if you want to go to international standard, definitely I gave you an example. You study that. The Harvard University. How they have made science reciprocating. That means the multiple sciences, they come together. Then only nowadays the future research going to be not a single discipline, multiple discipline coming in, and something innovation going to be done in future. So that's why I call it convergence of technology future. That the area in research oriented should be, then definitely India one day will become a great nation. Okay?
Sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Santosh Nichani. I am studying in second year mechanical. So my question is.
What's your dream?
So my dream is to become a industrialist. I want to have my own
You want an
company.
industrialist, eh?
Yes,
You
sir.
want an entrepreneur.
Yes, sir.
Very
Industrialist and
good.
entrepreneur.
Because if you are an entrepreneur, you are an employment generator.
Yes, sir.
As an engineer, you are the employment seeker. Okay? You are going to become an employer. How many of you want to become an entrepreneur at the end of the career? How many of you want to become entrepreneurs? Not bad, some numbers are there, including girls. They want to become entrepreneur. Very good, very good, very good. Because remember what India needs, employment generators. Okay? There is 3 or 4 of you should join together, start an enterprise, software, hardware combination, and generate more employment potential. That's what India needs, yes.
So we all study at the same level. We all work hard. We study equally. But still some people fail and some people succeed. So why does that happen?
Well, I don't think success you can define as everybody succeeding. When a guy or people succeed, then they experience many failures. For example, I take myself. When I started my career, number of failures I experienced. So that doesn't mean I have failed. Then I was led to success also. When I know why I failed, then we recovered, it became a success also. Afterwards, I saw only successes. So the failure people, the problem is, you should not drop the thing. As soon as something happens, failure, no, I cannot do it. No, you have, every one of you have got a potential. That potential is, repeat with me, I can, repeat with me, I can do it. We can do it. India will do it. That confidence is there. So if there is a confidence and the willpower is there, you will defeat the failure, okay? And succeed.
Thank you, sir.
Last fellow, you can go? You can go.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Parth Sawant. I am a final year computer science engineering student from this college. So my question to you is somewhat antithetical because we hear a lot of people asking you how to gain success. My question is about handling rejection, sir.
Eh?
Handling rejection.
What rejection?
Any kind of rejection in life,
How
sir.
handle rejection?
Right,
Eh?
sir.
How to
Because-
handle rejection?
Right, sir.
Failure, management, failure. How? See, rejection means in society. See, first your home, and then society. There are 2 types of rejections. One is a parent's love and affection. When it reduces, then one type of rejection.